This is Travis with Pro Caliber Motorsports located here in Vancouver, Washington. We're out on the Columbia today on this beautiful day, and we're in the Sea-Doo Switch boat. You may have not have heard of these yet because they're fairly new. They've been out for a couple years, but they're amazing pontoon boats at a great price. They start around $30,000. They do go up as far as price due to length and horsepower, but all of them are under $50,000. A couple of the key features that make them such a great deal is they're modular, so you can see you have your seats here, but you can actually move these seats around. So if you want stadium seating, you want to put the seats up here, you want to add seats, you want to clip a cooler in, it's really as simple as pulling this lever here and just unhooking the seat from these little clips, and you can move the seat around. So they're completely modular, and as you can see, like a lot of pontoon boats, it's really family friendly. You've got the side rail at a good height all the way around the boat, so you can have your kids in there playing. You don't have to worry about fishing them out of the water. Super safe. One of the other great features of the boat is how you control it. And you can see it has handlebars, just like a jet ski or a dirt bike or an ATV. And it makes the learning curve much shorter. Anybody can hop in one of these and go out and drive it with no experience. And what also makes that so easy is you have your throttle and you also have a brake and reverse. So how that works is it redirects the pump underneath the boat to slow you down, and if you hold it in, it'll actually back the boat up. So when you come up to the dock with the Sea-Doo Switch, you can parallel park this thing just like a car. You can go forward, you can go backward, all with your fingertips on the controls. Super simple to drive. It's just a great system, and if you've ever ridden a jet ski, it's really, that's what this is like. It's like a jet ski on steroids that you can bring all your friends out on. This one is Coast Guard rated for 9 people, plus the captain, so lots of room, and very durable. It's a polyurethane construction throughout, so it's gonna last a long time. You know, a boat like this, you don't even really need bumpers when you go up to the dock, and we recommend them, but you know, it's not gonna dent, ding, or scratch like a fiberglass hull or a Joe-coated hull. When it comes to safety, there's probably nothing like the Sea-Doo Switch out there because it doesn't have an outboard motor, it doesn't have an outdrive, so there's no prop back here. What you have is you have a pump system underneath the boat, and the pump's up in here. It's got an impeller that sucks the water in from the river or the lake, pushes it out the pump, and that's what propels the boat. So there's no way for anybody to get cut, to swim underneath the boat and really hit anything sharp. It's super safe for the kids, so when you park this thing and everybody's swimming around the boat, you don't have anything to worry about, and that's just a great feature with this particular boat. And again, the price point is great on these boats, so come on down to Pro Caliber. We can tell you more about them. We can take you out on the water.